Okay, been here before, but we'll do it again anyway. This is Levin Library. This is an SJEC MRL supplied by Phoenix. With a rather unusual voice. Nice indicator animations. Very basic cab. The only thing I will say disappointingly is that there is no braille on these buttons. Class T, 1000 kgs, 13 persons. And we'll end up here because I want to take some still photos on the way down. There it goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.